All right, I'm gonna play around with a couple of these smalls that I have, and let me see what I can make of them, because I love this the way it looks, but I know I can do more. So after I kind of take them and turn them and see what I can do with them, this one, I'm seeing a woman's dress here. So I'm gonna kind of just sketch in a shape, and it doesn't even have to be something that's looking real, just a shape, a suggestion of a figure. And that's all I need for right now, because I think what I'm gonna do is then take a little bit of color, and this is the scary part because I really love these papers, but they never were meant to be the final part of this painting. So I'm going to just work a little bit of color in here. Just to find my shape. And I might not be talking much as I go through this process, because it's hard to talk and think about what you're doing. So I might continue on and speed this video up at some point, but for now I'm just gonna kind of keep at it and see what turns out. Now that I have gone gone in and added paint over much of the Nat Geo Citrusol papers. The papers that in the beginning I was looking at and saying, oh no, I can't do this. I love these papers. But as you can see, when you do cover them up and when you make that mark and make that move, it really does make for a better painting. Now, after I've got my paint added in, I will come back and add marks with my favorite art tool, I have to say, but I say that about a lot of them, is my Stabilo pencil. And the nice thing about a Stabilo pencil, it's water soluble, though unlike a watercolor pencil, the lead on it is very soft. So when you hit it with a wet paintbrush, it really gives you a nice bleed and gives you the effect of watercolors, which I really love. So I use my Stabilo pencils a lot to add that little bit of black detail that I like. So there you go. That is what I'm going to continue showing you here. You'll see in the next couple pieces just how I go through and the marks that I make, and just the simple things. I'm keeping these pieces actually pretty simple, and I hope you've enjoyed watching it. So I've got a couple more coming up. As you can see, most of the pieces in this small series are small. They're 4-inch, 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, and I think there's a random 9x12 in there. The series keeps growing as I keep doing these little paintings. And as you can see, you know, being on cradle board and gallery wrap canvases, they're about 1.5 inches thick. So I like to continue the story up over the edges of the canvas so that they're finished off with a little bit more painting. And I really have fun with that. I like to create the story that wraps all the way around. needless to say, I really had fun with this series. As I worked along, I kept getting more and more ideas of how to, what started out with 1 or 2 pieces with cats in them and several pieces with ladies in them. The story kind of made itself happen, and I'm calling this Cat Ladies, this series Cat Ladies, and it's been really fun to work on. I typically don't do cats in my work, but this just kind of happened and I went with it. So I hope you've enjoyed watching the process, from citrus salt papers to painting over them to adding details with my pencil. And if you're interested in any of the pieces, I'm going to do a release on the Cat Lady series. So make sure that you are signed up for my email. You can find that in the description below, so you will know when I plan to do this release. It will be in September. So do get signed up on my email, and thumbs up and subscribe if you like this. If you like this kind of work that I'm doing, and if you're interested in seeing more of it, please give me a thumbs up. I really love it. Thanks for watching.